It's SEMA time once again, and that means big new product launches. And today, we got an exciting one. The all-new BD Diesel electronic exhaust brake for 2007.5 to 17 6.7 liter Cummins Rams. Follow along as I explain what an exhaust brake is, why you need one, and how the BD Diesel electronic exhaust brake helps prepare you for a flawless tow. Let's get at it! What's an exhaust brake, you may ask? Well, in this case, it's a butterfly flap or butterfly valve type device that's put inline the exhaust just after the downpipe or in the tailpipe. When the flap is shut, it limits the flow of exhaust gases out of the engine. This limited flow increases the back pressure, pushing against the pistons on the exhaust stroke. This increase in resistance on the exhaust stroke allows the engine to increase its braking capabilities. This increase in braking capability allows your vehicle to control speed better and reduces the wear and tear on your service brake system, especially with a heavy load on. The all-new BD electronic exhaust brake actuates the aforementioned valve with an electronic actuator. Without the requirement for an air compressor or air lines, you no longer have to worry about the maintenance and the freezing up in the wintertime that you had before. This increased reliability, along with BD's Variable Orifice Technology, allows for consistent, reliable braking, creating up to 150 retarding horsepower. This creates a nice, low-maintenance, consistent exhaust brake. All right, here we are in our venerable 2012 Cummins Ram with our electronic exhaust brake installed on this beautiful fall West Coast day. And I'm just going to show you one of these really cool features that part of our exhaust brake kit is we retain the function of the factory button on the dash. So here I come towards a little hill. I can engage the factory button, and now we can feel and hear the hold back from the electronic exhaust brake installed in this truck. And as I get on the throttle, it releases. So everything will act just like factory, including cold warm-up. The Variable Orifice Technology in the BD brake allows the truck to maintain a nice uniform braking across the RPM range. There you have it, folks. If you have a 2007 to 17 6.7 Cummins equipped Ram and you happen to tow some loads, go to our website at bddiesel.com and check out our all-new electronic exhaust brake.